G'day mates, backend here with just Seven, and I'm using Blender 2.90. This video I'm going to show you or demonstrate about making a radial array without paid add-ons. Okay, here I'm going to delete everything and Shift A and edit cube again. Feel bad for the default cube, by the way. And I'm gonna just Shift D this, duplicate this cube and just put it where you want to put it. Just put it, okay. But put on each side, pick a side here and put it in the middle. And here, if you want to add on the X and Y axis, like radial array or using mirror, it's not gonna work. You have to use MT and rotate it 360, blah 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 stuff. But this one is gonna be more simpler and faster, but non-precise, I guess. Sometimes it can be precise, sometimes not. So in this case, you're gonna add a same thing. But don't forget, after you move outside the edit mode, you click Control A and rotation and scale. And as well, you can just use all transform, but the origin gonna go to the world origin, I guess. I don't know. So make sure you click again on the object, click everywhere, set origin to geometry. And from here, you're gonna go to a mirror and click the object because you want to mirror that. And you want to mirror on the object on the x-axis. And after this, you're just gonna apply it. Okay, you apply it, and from here, you're just gonna Shift the. Wait, I forgot. After this, you want to set origin to geometry again, so it's gonna put in the middle because you apply it, so it's two objects. So the origin you're gonna put in a median point, and Shift D again and rotate Z and just 90. That's how you do it. And this is gonna be like two objects, right? So if you want to apply like a Bool Tool, booleans like this, you have to apply it twice. And if you want to make it more simpler, you're gonna go to edit mode, okay, click all, click everything and Shift D again and RZ90, and from here you go to object and do it again, the boolean, and there you go. And if you want to add here, okay, on the 45 degree, just go to edit mode again, and let's say click L on this thing, or maybe all of it. You can just use all of it, but I guess I want to make it smaller. Okay, what about that? If you want to make you want to make it on the 45 degree, but you want to be a different scale, Shift D outside the edit mode and just rotate RZ45. And from here, you want to go to the top section here, top tab, and go to individual origins. Go to edit mode and click everything and just scale it. And there you go. Maybe just scale it a bit more. And Z axis. And I want to apply the Bool Tool. And as well for this. And there you go. You have a really cool looking box. And I guess that's all. And oh wait, one more thing. If you want to add a cylinder, okay, I'm going to show you the thing that is kinda sometimes you need to eyeballing it if you're bad at math. Okay, if you understand math, not like me, I'm so stupid at math, you probably gonna messed up with eyeballing it. But me, because I'm stupid at math, so I'm eyeballing it. So I'm just gonna put a small, scale it to small, this cylinder, and I'll transform, and yeah, set origin to geometry. And again, I'm gonna add a mirror, this object, there you go, and apply it. And set origin again to geometry, so it's going to be on the middle. This thing I want to add just outside the edit mode and rotate C90, right? and you want to put more on this, on the sides, on the empty sides, on the empty space here between these two cylinders. So go to just Shift D again, duplicate it, and I guess rotate 45. But that's just one side, so I guess you can just click everything here and Shift D and RZ 45. And this is the thing, I told you I'm stupid. Shift D, R, Z, and you kind of need to eyeballing it because I don't know the right numbers. I mean, I could just Google, but nah. You guys can do that. You guys go ahead. Please don't judge me for being stupid at math, mate. There you go. There you go. You just make a really quick radial array with a really non-precise styles, but still does a pretty good job, you know? So yeah, I guess that's all for this video. I'm just gonna make a bevel here because I want everything looks cool at least. I guess that's just better. Anyway, wait, I'm gonna add a bevel here. There's a bit. I'm gonna put a 3, 4. I guess 3 is just enough. Shading, I don't know, almost. Look at that. And I'm just gonna put it matte cap and cavity, type screen both, and color black. Oh my god. And control space on the screen. Oh my god, look at that. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. This is a video, quick video telling you about how to make a radial array quick with non-precise style. Thank you for watching, thank you for staying here, and see you guys next time.